Hello everyone. Welcome to the AI Stock channel. So today we are going to go through some of the trading I did, and I will teach you how to stocks like this because these are really good stocks today. So first one I found was TTD. So basically, you can see that what you have to look for is that when it comes out of the trend line, then that time you catch them. So as you can see that as soon as it uh, like started going up because it was in downtrend, as you can see, it was short-term downtrend, but once you can see that it started going up, which market today started going up. So this was on my radar to catch. So this one I got in here once it broke this thing. So it was like $96.40, and then I knew that my stop was right here at around $96. You had 40 cents stop. I usually take that big stop so that you don't get stopped out quickly. But then you can see that it ran all the way to 98.36 dollar. So I exited around 98.30 because I did not wait for because I knew that 98.50 was the resistance. So as you know, like we have to when this kind of spike comes, then just exit it. That's my tip for the day. That don't wait too much, otherwise stock can come down and your profit will be zero, or you can even have a less income. Yeah. So yeah, let's go to the next one. So this was my favorite one. So you can see that it was going up, and then it's still going in up direction, I would say, in overall thing. But today it caught my attention because it had a big red candle and it opened negative, so it caught my attention at $1 or $2.40, and then I took it because I could see you can see that it was previous close of 103, so it was below that, and as I have 50 cent stop, I knew that this would be perfect for me to take in case if it goes back to 103, I would exit with loss, but otherwise, yeah, I will let it ride. But as market was going up, this was no still did not take the any bounce, so I thought like let me take the short, and then I took the short. I exited at $101.60, so almost a dollar. And yes, you can see that it was almost. I was thinking $101.50 would be the base, and that exactly that thing happened. So because I had seen that in 5 days it was in uptrend, so I did not want to stay for long. So that's a good tip to learn right now. The next one was a fantastic one. So ions. So ions, I saw like I got an alert in the morning, and you can see that it was $40 just less than 5 days ago. Actually, yeah, it was just less than 5 days ago, and then you can see that it just so I knew that today it will run. So I got alerted ions was yeah at $44.90, so almost $45. So it was I think came somewhere here, I believe. And then yeah, it got pulled back. So yeah, that's why my buy order was executed, and then from 45 it never looked back, and then I sold it around $47, and yeah, it was $47 and 40 cents. Oh wow, so I almost pick up the peak, yeah, before it. Yes, so when this spike came, I just sold it off, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So almost I got the top. So yeah, this was pretty big winner because 45 to all the way 40 cents. It was $2.50 almost profit, which is like if you have thousand share, you can make $2,000, $2,500 right there. So it's not bad, right? So it's important to catch this kind of place. Now next one was ARM. So this one was not that much profit, but I caught it at My price was 156.20. So where is it? Okay, I think it's this one here. Uh, yeah. So here caught it at 11 o'clock. And then I let it run. It reached to 159.47, but I exited at 158.50 cents. So I exited somewhere here, and then it still ran pretty high, and I should have it hold it up because it went all the way. Right now it's 160.25, which is $3 from up from where I had purchased. So again, if you have 1,000 shares, you can make $3,000 right there, or through options you can make even more. I'll make a video for options pretty soon, so stay tuned. And the next one was FTAI. So FTAI I caught. So again, let's see how I caught. Yeah, cool. So you can see the average was 93 something. So my alert came at 95 because it was above in this average. And then you can see that when it crossed it, and then I was waiting for it. I was looking what it's doing around that price, and I got at 94.50 during this dip, um, and it went up. So then I knew that it won't go down. So I took it 94.50, and then my stop was $94, but it never took it that low. And then I exited at oh 101. So oh wow, that was a perfect peak for me. It was 101 and 10 cents was the thing, but I would just hold it up all the way here. There was plus and minus, but I was on lunch break during this time, so I got saved. But my profit, I then just came back and it was already at 99.84. So I thought like it's probably should go until 101 or more, but luckily I just sold at 101. So still like from $95 all the way to $101 is $6 profit. So again, if you have 1,000 shares, you make uh, lots of money in there. So this is how you learn. You just see the trend, you see what stocks are doing abnormally, and then you just jump on it. The one way I found is that, let's say if I'm looking at here, I can see that related stocks. I see what they're doing. If they're doing good, um, yeah, if they are trending, then you will know that you can take it. This is not the chart you want, but you want the chart like before we just saw. But yeah, you have to go through lots of stocks to in order to find which one you want to take on that day, and you have to find it in earlier day. So yeah, that's pretty much it is for today. Yeah, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.